Wagwan people, wagwan. Let me just put this out there quick and fast. Any video, including this one, that I'm going to review now, break down now, react to now, never seen them before. I do not watch the videos before I react to it. So what you are getting is my 100% honest opinion, honest reaction. Okay? I'm not asking you to agree with everything I'm saying, everything I'm doing on this channel. All I'm asking you to do is respect my opinion, okay? Respect my opinion just like how I respect yours, okay? So I just wanted to get that out of the way. You don't have to respect me, respect my opinion, because everybody is entitled to their own opinion, all right? Yo, what is up, people? It's your boy 𝐉𝐀𝐌𝐀𝐈𝐂𝐀𝐍 came here with another reaction. And today, people, this is the reply from a previous breakdown / reaction that I did from Ivory and Dal. Take a look. She's firing some, she's dropping words. She's dropping words. Words. Who is this girl? Who is that? Miss Rfabuluous, woyoy. Who is that? I don't know who that. I don't know who that. Somebody leave in the comment section who that girl is. So to me, it seems like she's taking a shot at that girl like that was just on the screen. So basically, your career dead. Woyoy. She's gloating about that. She's happy about that. So this is the girl that answer now. This Miss Rfabuluous answer. You understand? So I could jump in it. Also, people, let me just clear up something quick and fast before I start the video. Don't get mixed up. Don't get this channel mixed up with other reaction channel. This channel is about breaking down UK music, UK rap or American rap. Breaking it down and reacting to it. So I'm doing two things in one. That's why the videos are so long. I'm breaking down the lyrics in my own way, in a Jamaican style, and I try to explain as much as I can in a Jamaican style, and also reacting to it as well. So don't get the thing twisted and don't get the thing mixed up. Big up all of the new subscribers, them. I really appreciate the love and the support I'm getting over here. All right. So without further delay, I could jump in a one, because you know, say we're not play. Also, golden rule. See it here. Yeah. Golden rule. Like before you watch. That's the golden rule. Alright? So, you don't know the infamous water is here and the lighter is here. So, let's get going, man. Let's go.
Unknown chop, 𝐉𝐀𝐌𝐀𝐈𝐂𝐀𝐍, Jimmy chop, KO chop.
Puppy, bala. Hey, sorry people, me have to start it. When Papi said trouble, you know what trouble, you know. Big up Popcorn, you know. Bomba clad trouble. I like that. Let's go. Trouble.
I feel like I can't catch a break. Like, I don't talk about people. Like, I don't even care.
Shut up. I don't talk about people. You fucking idiot.
So basically, she start off by this in Ivory and Dal. I say, yo, stop telling lie, but you not talk about people. You're liar. Everybody know you're a liar. You chat about people. You chatty. You chat like radio. You chat like television. I be a liar tell you chat too much. That's what she said, not me. Big up Ivory and Dal said we. Let's go.
Yeah. You started it. Hello, Vanessa. Time to apply that pressure. Think IBD when a DIE says RIP, better rest up.
Let me just put this out there. I done my research on this girl, and this girl is not actually a rapper. She's a influencer, a social media influencer. Hello, Vanessa. Something. Let's go again.
Yeah. You started it. Hello, Vanessa. Time to apply that pressure. Think IBD when a DIE says RIP, better rest up.
So basically, what she do the same hand movement them and the same editing skills. Well, and not call it edit. Basically, she do the same style of video like where Ivory and Dal did do. Is Vanessa right name, right? So as far as when I get to find out, them two have them ongoing beef from a long time. You know? So hello, Vanessa, time to apply this pressure. So she ready for pressure like a dry peas. We're ready for pressure like a pressure cooker. Yo, let's go.
Swear that the man then passed her. Hold on, wait, your dad's a pastor. Hee, ha ha, on job, ain't with the laughter.
I swear said the man them passed her. That's what she has said now. I swear said the man them passed her. Hey, hold on there. Your father a pastor. So you go like your brother talk about you're not bad, your father a pastor. You grew up in a good home. You grew up in a one good home, my girl. Chill, Bill. Relax yourself. You're a good girl. You're a nerd. That's what she has said, not me. Big up all the nerds then.
Huh? I heard a rumor IVD's a fuck. You fucked up the whole block. Heard that head to the Homerton bot.
I heard a rumor that IVP, that Ivory Randall, IVD, yeah. Ivory Randall is a Thot. She basically what she has said, let me give it to you in my way. Let me give it to you in my way, not for your way. She has said Ivory Randall is a mattress. Every man sleep on her. Every man sleep on Ivory Randall. Next thing she has said, Ivory Randall is a bicycle. Get a bicycle that is. Every man ride her. Every man come and say, yo, give me a ride for your bicycle there. Boom, 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 down the road, my gun. Soon forward back. Every man ride her. Get a bicycle. Every man ride her. She's a Thot. That's what she has said. See it there now. I said it. Ivory Randall, don't beat me. I don't. You know? I'm just saying what Miss Fabulous is saying about you. Sorry. Have to say it. I'm breaking it down. I am breaking it down and reacting. Big up. Let's go.
Unknown chop, V9 chop, Jimmy chop, KO chop. My heat, we doing a lot.
So that all of the chopper them where passed through Ivory Randall. I get to find out that these two was friends before. Leave it in the comment section, people, and let me know. Can confirm if them two was really friends with you. So the moral of this part is do not tell your friend them everything, you know. F-R-I-E-N-D spell friend. E-N-D at the end. I keep telling you guys that. So Ivory Randall, you tell her your business, and now she's using it against you in a court of freestyle. Jesus Christ. Chop. Ivory and every man chop you.
My IVD's a fuck. You fucked up the whole block. Heard that head to the Homerton bot. Unknown chop, V9 chop, Jimmy chop, KO chop. My heat, we doing a lot.
Said my heat really doing a lot.
Said man really doing a lot. Basically, man, I'ma chop you. Yo, that rough, you know. That rough.
No chit chat, get your wig snatched back at your wrist or sit back. Talk about tours, you already detoured. I duppy daily talk is cheap, but fuck you pay me.
The duppy daily talk is cheap, so basically, member said she go up and member said my girl go up and duppy daily, you know. On my phone there, what message me? Member said she go up and duppy daily, you know, go chat her freestyle and things, so you don't know, say that's how she a forward offer, and I say, yo, that your freestyle was cheap, you know, like I tell.
I duppy daily talk is cheap, but fuck you pay me.
Left and right, people just always coming for me, like, and I'm not saying that I'm perfect. I'm not saying, oh, that I don't do things, but it's like, for once, like, I've actually just moved on, and it's like, left and right, I can't go to sleep.
What? You thought you was Nicki Minaj, huh? You fucking bitch.
Basically, this is not a freestyle. She just a chat. Cause first of all, the freestyle is very short. The video is very short. The video is 1 minute and 48 seconds. So it's a very short diss. This is the shortest diss in history of this is get it? This is the shortest diss.
Shut up your mouth, man.
Alright, forget it. Don't worry. Let's go.
Vanessa, you're forgetting I know where your mom lives. PTSD.
Should I bring in Mother Night now? That's a low blow. You're bringing Mother Night, my girl? That's nice.
Hello, auntie.
Remember, say like me said, them used to be friends, so she know her mother. She know her mother live. And obviously, out of respect, she call her mother auntie. What's up, auntie? You know? Jesus Christ.
Xeno music all day, every day.
That dry. That dry. That dry. That no good. That no good. That lame. That lame. That weak like 2. Hey, that weak like 14 days. 2 week. 2 week. That week like 7 days. 1 week. See the one there? Week. That week. That week. That no. Ivor and Dal freestyle better than you by far, my girl. That week, my girl. Me really waste my time and even do this. And the reason why I do this is because my sister get all heap of views because it drop. It no long drop. And me I say, yo, me I go react to it and see. It's weak, brother. Weak. You coulda get somebody for do. Basically, only thing she said, Ivor and Dal is a thought. Big up the thought, girl. Me love you no. Me love you. You want me baby. Shift your panty partially. Me love you no. Me love you no see me. Big up the thought them. Me love you no. But what she said, basically, not night for me breakdown really. You think you're Nicki Minaj and me know where your mother live? You can't do the girl mother nothing. Because the girl mother not involved in nothing. Miss Fabulous, if you want to click this like on a video, click it. Me not care, but you can't see me and beat me. My back broad. This rock. This a trash. This a trash. This a... Where you been there? Where you been there? I will carry out the bin outside already. You bring back the bin, come man. Let me put this in it. Not like this. This is a foolishness. This is a food. Water never come. My lighter still good. This not good, mama. This not good, mama. This week, man. 14 days, man. Weeks. This week, man. 14 days. This not good. This not good. This not good. People, let me know in the comment section what you think about this. I think this is weak, man. Weak, man. People, you know what time it is already, though? Time to come out of here, man. Look more. Bye.